Welcome to our channel. If you need to request a driver license replacement through USPS mailing services, follow this quick guide to properly handle the replacement process with your state's Department of Motor Vehicles. Step 1. Visit your state's DMV website to download the driver license replacement form. Each state has different forms and requirements. Step 2. Complete the replacement form with your current information, including name, address, driver license number, and reason for replacement. Step 3. Gather required documentation such as a copy of your identification and proof of residency if required by your state. Step 4. Include the replacement fee in the form of a check or money order made payable to your state's DMV. The fee amount varies by state. Step 5. Place all documents, the completed form, and payment in an envelope addressed to your state's DMV office. Check the DMV website for the correct mailing address. Step 6. Go to your local post office and ask for certified mail or registered mail services to track your important documents. Step 7. Pay for the USPS mailing service and keep your receipt and tracking number for reference. Step 8. Track your package using the USPS tracking number to ensure it's delivered to the DMV. Step 9. Wait for processing time, which typically takes 2 to 4 weeks depending on your state. Then your replacement license will be mailed to your registered address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.